I just found one of the best and coolest AI tools that you can use for YouTube automation and TikTok video creation. Honestly, this tool is not as expensive as Sora AI, and it can generate AI videos with just one single prompt. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create 100% monetizable videos for YouTube and TikTok using this new AI tool. I'm going to try to make several videos for different niches like history, science fiction, and motivation using this AI tool. So, the name of this tool is Katalist AI. This AI can create visual stories with consistent characters using storyboard AI technology. In this AI, you can either use your own script or you can ask this to generate a script. So, let's try several videos creations with this AI tool. As I mentioned earlier, you can either upload your own script or generate a new script. Now, I'm just going to type something crazy in here like, aliens invade ancient Egypt, something like this. I really don't know what this will look like. And let's see what this tool can do with a simple prompt. Okay, cool. We have the script for our videos. Yeah, this looks cool. We only gave just a one-sentence prompt, so I think this is perfect. Now, let's go to the next page. Here, we need to select the style for this project. So we have several styles like cinematic, oil painting, comic book, and more. We can even create our own style. You just need to upload some reference images to train an AI model. For this first example, I'm going to go with this Disney cartoon style. You can also change the size of the video. I'm going to stick with this landscape option. And let's go to the next page. Now, we have 3 characters, but it is the same character. One for Pharaoh, guards, and soldiers. Now let's change the characters of guards and soldiers. Click this and select this change appearance option. Now you can select a suitable character for this. I'm going to go with this guy. And for the soldiers, let's do the same. Let's select his character. That's all. Let's create this project. It will take several seconds to generate images for this script. As you can see here, we have images for each and every scene in the script. These are the locations that these images are based on. If you click on each location, you can see the prompt that this tool has used to generate this specific location. If you want, you can change the prompt and create a different location. You can also select a different location for each image. Let me show you some cool things. I'm going to select this image, as you can see here. We have the prompt that generated this image. Actually, you can change this prompt. Not only the prompt, you can even change the location and angle of the camera as well. So, let's change a few things and generate a new image. Now, we have 4 image options that we can use. I forgot to add the cartoon style, and that's why these images have this cinematic look. Let's say you want to add something or any object to this image. In that case, you don't need to change the whole image. You just need to use this generative fill tool. Just select the area where you want to add this new object or scene, and just type it here. I'm going to add an alien ship to this area. Again, we have 4 different alien ships. You can just select them and click this save button. Just like this. You can customize these images easily. Now, if you want to animate this image, all you need to do is click this video option, then you can adjust its motion strength and convert this image to a video. This looks good, but there is a little bit of an issue with this other character. Now, if you go back to the storyboard and switch this image mode to video, it will automatically convert all the images to videos. As you can see here, all of the images have been converted into videos. This image has a little bit of an issue, except that everything looks cool. Now, I'm going to try another prompt. This time I want to try something that looks like animation videos, so let's make a story about a rabbit. The process is similar to before. Our script is ready. This time I will go with vertical ratio, which is good for short videos. Let's select the animation style, and this time we don't have any characters, because this video is about a rabbit. And let's generate this storyboard. Wow. These images are amazing. I mean, they have added every detail to these images. Now, I really want to see how these images will look after we convert them to videos. So, let's do that as well. Just like we did before, let's convert this to video mode and see the results. This looks good even though some images are messed up. We need to regenerate those weird clips. So, click this video and let's increase its motion strength and try again. You might have to try this several times to get good results. Once you complete that, you can easily import this to Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you are using Adobe Premiere Pro to edit these videos, this will make everything easier. If not, you can just export this video as a MP4 file. Now, I will try to create a video using one of my own scripts. As I mentioned earlier, you can either upload your video script as a PDF or text file, or you can just simply paste it here. And press the Continue button. It will analyze this script and break it down into several scenes to generate images. As you can see here, we have these several scenes for this script. Now, just like before, you need to select the style. For this video, I'm going to go with the cinematic style. Let's click Next. They have also added several characters for these images. I think it's fine, I'm not going to change these, so everything is set now. Let's create the project, okay? We have all images for each scene. Honestly, these are really good. I think their cinematic style preset is better than others. Now, if you want, you can replace these images, or you can add new elements to these images. As an example, I would like to change this image into something where this person is holding a dead plant. Let me try this character posing tool and see what it can do. I think we can change the position of the hands, legs, and head of this character using this tool. Let's try to change its hand like this and see the result. Okay, cool. It actually changed the whole image, but it's okay. We can use it. Now let me try this generative tool, and I'm gonna select this area of this person. And let's type the prompt like this to make it look like he is holding a dead plant. This actually looks very weird. So, I think we should stick to this image. And now let's convert this to a video. Now, if you click this play button, you can actually see the whole sequence at once. And guys, that's how you use Katalist AI. You can try this tool. It has a 7-day free trial period, and if you check their pricing, it's actually affordable. Their essential plan starts at just $19, which provides 200 credits per month. If you are doing short videos, this is a good package for you. And their pro plan is $39, which includes 700 credits. I'm using their unlimited package, which has unlimited credits for $99. And with that, today's video has come to an end. I hope you learned some valuable information from this video. I will see you guys in the next video.
Detective Sarah Finch sat in her dimly lit office, the steady hum of the city outside barely penetrating the room. On her desk lay a single file labeled Case 417, the Midnight Heist. The crime had left the entire city in shock. An art gallery break-in that resulted not only in the theft of a priceless painting, but also in the murder of the gallery's night guard, Henry Caldwell. Henry was a retired police officer, known for his integrity and sharp instincts. His death wasn't just a tragedy, it was personal for Sarah.